Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are just going to be continuing on with Kivy. So now we're to the point where we're going to need to start creating different files, and the file names are going to matter. So next video we'll get to the interpreter, the editor, but right now we're just going to open up a new file. We are going to call it my app. So alright, we will go over more later why this is, but whatever you want to name it, just make sure you put app after it, and I'll get to it. Okay, whatever you want to name it plus this. All right, just makes your life easier. So we did this, and I did a little bit of foreshadowing. So import Kivy, then help Kivy. And so this is super important. If you haven't subscribed yet and hit that notification bell, I gave a little bit of foreshadowing here. So if you haven't seen those videos, you're missing out. But you can catch up real easy. So alright, this is the version of Kivy running right now. So this is the super simplest, fastest way, bare bones, require, then our version is 1.11.1. It takes a string. That is to know what version that at the current time you're writing to use. That's why that's important. So then we do our then we learned last time, I think, of from kivy.app import app. Then here we go. Now we're getting, I don't know why I hit capital, I'm sorry guys, I was getting ahead of myself. My app, then this is gonna have nothing in here. Now we saw this and we know this. If name equals _main. Now here's one thing we do not know. Alright, let me show you. Import kivy.app. So the only thing new on here is going to be a method off the app class. So dir app. Let's see. I haven't looked. Boom. That's simple. Run. So in our boilerplate here, we're going to drop in our my app and then the run method. That's the only thing that is new to you right now, and actually this Kivy requirement. So this is going to be your first Kivy app right now. And if you forget the parentheses, you will not have your Kivy app run. And there we go. Boom, my. And you see how it dropped this? There's important details to this, and we're going to go over it at a later time. But you just created your first Kivy app. So there we go. Pretty quick video today, and we're just going to build upon this exponentially. and do some pretty cool stuff. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below. And the most important, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're going to be building on all these things, and I don't want you feeling left out, behind, or worst of all, overwhelmed. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.